Men's open 800 meters. Graham wearing number 1, Ben Zion 2, Sherlock 3, Green 4, Lewis 5, Sean 6, Doan is 7, 8 is Zhang, 9 Brady, and 10 is Mark Williams. Mark Williams has run 2:01:17 indoor at the Masters. 41-year-old record is 159.62. Coming to the 400-meter split. This is David Burns. This is Isaac Green. Isaac Green leading the way. Mark Green. He's running 3rd right now.
Good job, Sean. Stay strong.
With the lead. Running 2nd, this is Jaqua, Sean, and this is Mark Williams. He's running 2:01:17. The mean record, the national record, U.S. record, 159.62.
Let's go, Sean! Come on, dig deep, dig deep! Let's go, hustle, hustle, hustle! You got it, go, go, go! Get it, come on!